Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a Dutch pour, and I've already covered this canvas. It was a canvas that I used canvas that I didn't like. So I've got a little cup of mixed colors here that I had from a previous pour that I didn't use. So I'm going to just pour some in a puddle, and then I'm just going to blow it and see what happens. Okay, just getting my hair dryer turned on here. This is just a beige mixed with some white Artist Loft beige house paint. I don't know how this is going to be. Could be a disaster. We'll see. But it might not be. It's an experiment, another experiment. I like some of that red to go in there. It might be mud, I don't know. I have a little bit of pink. Okay, I'm going to blow this over, blow my turn it around this way. I'll blow it back the other way. Gonna see if I could blow this down a bit, but I'm not sure if there's enough. Paint there. That's nice. That's pretty. There, I really like that. There. All done. I love it. There, I'll hold it up for you. Very pretty. So there was just a lot of mixture of colors. There was magenta. There was aqua green. There was gold. There was some Naples yellow. There was some dark, there was gray. There was some burnt sienna, I believe. There's a few different colors in there. So there you go. Nice experiment. It's basically, I did a little dirty pour and blew it. All right, have a great day, everybody. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.